2026 first from Miss Category. Let us welcome Raisa Carey.
Look here. 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 Here po. Alright.
And then,
Good evening, everyone. And as Christine said, we are very grateful for everyone for your time and for interviewing us today. It's like a dream come true for us, for both of us, because before we are just seeing all of the interviewers and the famous pages that we're seeing in the social media, and now you are interviewing us tonight. So, fun fact. So, I'd like to introduce myself first. I'm Raisa Carey. I am the winner of Miss Category for I Am Model Search, Miss International. And fun fact, I also came from work, so we're both introverts. So during the pageant, we're talking about it, and it's really a true country for us. Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank you, Sir Gerald Yakat of Gerald Yakat Collections, that I'm wearing his creation. So, to answer the first question, the I Am Model Search for Miss and Mrs. International, it's more than a modeling pageant. It's actually a beauty pageant as well. Because during day one, we had this video shoot and photo shoot where we will be wearing our evening gowns. And then we will also wear our national costume. So we had that photo shoot and video shoot. But the same national costume that we are going to wear on the last day, the final day. And then after that, we also had the preliminary round. We had to wear also the national costume, and we had to do the ramp modeling, wearing that, and also the talent portion and the swimsuit. But we are wearing the pario. They call it as pario, like a sarong in the Philippine culture. So because it's a Malaysia, it's a Muslim country, we have to wear it. You cannot be like the similar pageants na you are wearing the two-piece. So they are a bit more conservative with that.
But your MS, you competed for MS category.
Yes.
It means you have child na ba? Ano bang, bakit ka naging qualified for the MS?
For non-married
Non-married.
women, because I am model search for Miss and Mrs. International. It's a festival.
So you're single? How old are you?
I just turned 37. It's my birthday.
Oh my God, 37 ka! At saka ang bata mo tingnan sa 37.
Alam ko 37.
First time mo ba itong mag-pageant?
Yes, actually.
Really?
This is my first time kasi nga, very introvert person talaga ako. And it's really one big leap of faith for me kasi just a simple people looking at me. It gave me a lot of stage fright and nananervous talaga ako, kaya really big effort for me na mag-join yung pageant.
Ang bata mo tingnan sa 37, nakala ko pa sabi ko man, join ka ng Miss Universe or other national pageant.
That's what we like din sa pageant namin. It's not just for the usual candidates na very tall, very young, and you know, kasi there's that platform allows us, Festival of Movement, to join and be able to create awareness for all of our advocates.
So that's the actual grounds, no?
Yes.
Okay. Ano yung mga responsibilities or duties nyo as a title holder of I Am Model Search? Babalik pa kayo ng Malaysia or
Yes, I believe we have duties, especially with other pageants that our organizers have.
and you, Ma'am Christine, reaction para sa
I'm very grateful na yung whole family ko, they're very supportive and they are very proud. Kasi I was able to go out of my own shell. Kasi everyone knows that I'm really a shy person. I'm really very shy person. As much as possible, I don't want anyone to be looking at me. That's really my real nature. So they are all na ano sila na surprise nila kasi out of all the people, ako yung sumali sa gano'n na yun yung the last thing na i-expect nila na gagawin ko sa kanila. yeah, I'm very grateful for them that they are so supportive.
Alright. You have mentioned a while ago that you're an introvert. So how did you cope up, of course, in joining international pageant?
Of course, with the help of my team, every single time they are still trying to help me. Like every step of the way, they are making me smile. But really, it was really hard for me kasi talagang nagkakaroon ako ng stage fright. And I think marami rin siguro makaka-relate sa akin ang mga tao na I want them to know na it's really possible to also be to go out of your own shell and everything is possible. So I want to inspire them.
Last question na lang. Ano yung naging mantras nyo during your international journey? Mantras and manifestation.
Manifestation. So of course, bago kami umalis, lagi namin sinasabi na parang, okay, uuwi kami na may crowd. Uuwi tayo na may crowd. Lahat ko yan, positive kami, so we don't entertain any negative thoughts. Actually, meron akong friend na parang kasama ko siya. Parang 2 days bago kami liwatad. And maraming hindi nangyari kasi during the time ng mga typhoon, so maraming mga bagay na hindi nangyari na pag may mga lakad tayo. Ay bigla niya akong tinanong na parang, sis, buti hindi ka naiinis, hindi ka nagagalit. Kasi sis, I have to be very positive kasi talaga lang natin yung humagod sa competition. So natuwa siya, tapos nung nalaman niya nanalo ako, sabi niya, sis, and now I know kung ano yung sinasabi mo na bakit ka hindi naiinis, hindi ka nagagalit. Kasi out of dun sa tatlong pupuntahan sana namin, lahat yun hindi nangyari. Tapos, at the end of the day, gabi na, tinanong niya ako, bakit hindi ka naiinis, hindi ka nagagalit, hindi ka tatantrums or what? Yung sabi ko sa kanya na, you have to be very positive. I'm sure there's a reason bakit hindi nangyari yan, hindi natuloy. After winning the crown, yung message niya ulit ako sinabi nila, now I understand bakit naging ganun. So, dapat talaga nagka-positive tayo every day. So, I was happy na kahit pa paano pala, even one friend, inspired ko na pala siya in a very little way.
Thank you so much for sharing all about
Ang most memorable sa akin is actually lahat. From the pre-pageant days pa lang natin kasi ang daming typhoon talaga na sunod-sunod nun. Actually, nung day na aalis kami, we were so worried na baka hindi kami makalipad kasi sobrang bumaha. As in, waist deep yung mga daanan. So, parang maabot ba kami? So, God's will, nakaabot naman kami. But sa paghahanap namin ng lahat ng wardrobes namin talagang we did our best na up to early morning naghahanap kami ng wardrobe. So memorable sa akin yung parts na yun kasi I had to change my complete wardrobes kasi I felt na parang hindi ito yung gown na magbibigay sa akin ng crown. Na parang hindi ito yung suot ko na ilalagay sa akin ng crown. Na-felt ko yun. So parang I believe all other candidates also felt that na you really know kung yun yung wardrobe na para sa'yo. So we had to change the whole set, I think 2 days prior the departure. And then, pinaka-most memorable sa akin is yung rehearsals. Kasi that's where the candidates are very, very friendly and talking personal stories with each other. Isa sa pinaka-naging close friend ko dun is yung Miss Congeniality namin, from Thailand, also in Malaysia, very heartfelt. And Vietnam, kasi medyo kasunod ko siya, so like kami mag-uusap. And Philippines also, nag-uusap kami natin. So, yun yung mga naging friends ko. And also yung sa Indonesia, which was my roommate. So, nakakatuwa kasi we have each other's teams. So, pagka matutulog na kami, kakatok na lang ako sa kanya kasi laging ako yung late na tutulog. That sometimes, tulog na siya, I had to open the door. May lock kasi siya na double lock. Tapos carefully try to open it para hindi ko siya magising. Pero nagising pa rin siya kasi nga pagbubuksan niya ako. So, very friendly naman lahat ng nation. What I like with that pageant talaga is we were able to create lasting friendships and connections na everyone is inviting each other to each countries and telling na we will host you, just go there and let us know. So a lot of them also wanted to go to our beaches, El Nido, Palawan, Boracay. So they're telling us na if we go there, tour us. So we were able also to cater our showcase our islands to this beautiful women from other countries. Siguro one of the biggest learnings I've had is really how to believe in yourself and depend on your determination kasi after all, you are the only one that will step on that stage. stage. Not your team, not everyone else that supports you, not your family, not your friends, not even your friends. No? So during that time, na parang sobrang mahihain, tapos parang ginawa naman ng lahat ng team members ko lahat ng part nila, best wardrobe, best makeup, best hair, and all other things. Parang nandun ako sa part na aakit na ako ng stage, nagkakaroon ako ng stage fright na parang, oh my God, ito na to, lalakad na ako sa stage, everyone's looking at me, nahihiya na ako, nanginginig na ako sa hiya. And then, parang nagdasal lang din ako, and then sabi ko na parang, ginawa ng lahat ang part nila, you have to also do your part. So, I feel like it's really the determination. If you really want something and if you really want to do something, talagang kailangan na huwag mawawala yung faith and determination mo on yourself.
Again, follow-up question to the both of you. How would you use your title and your crown to be a good influence to your community?
Number one kasi of my advocacy is women and youth empowerment. So, meron kaming mga incoming programs that will inspire those category of population na we are going to let them know na we are advocating for education and, you know, maraming ways para ma-inspire natin sila and also makuha nila yung pangarap nila sa buhay na may mga bagay na kailangan i-continue natin, especially ang pag-aaral ng marami rin kasi mga kabataan na out of school youth. And isa yun sa advocacy ko na sana as much as possible, continue natin ang studies natin kasi with education, there's more opportunities na makukuha nila and yun yung sa tingin ko na kailangan natin ma-improve also din sila. First, magpapasalamat syempre sa Diyos kasi that every time na kinakabahan ako or natatakot ako, magdadasal lang din talaga ako ng mga pagdasal, Our Father. Hindi tayo paulit-ulit lang kung beto. So, lagi talaga ako, syempre kay Mama Mary kasi hindi talaga ako na ipagkakas. And also, family, friends, and especially yung mga team ko, si Mama Ben, si Camille, si Louie, si Eman, si Darian, and si Mama AJ, ang mga parents sa Latrini ko, sila Peter Robin Flores, si Pao, and sa GAM, especially si Sir Gerald Yakat of Gerald Yakat Collections, and then sa National Costume from Sky Imperial, na dinayo pa namin sa malayong lugar talaga habang bumabagyo. And of course, lahat po ng mga post na congratulations and before and after the pageant, we're very thankful kasi hindi namin na-expect talaga na mapipick up ng mainstream media yung aming pageant kasi it's not similar to the bigger pageants na nakakasabay namin. Pero we're still grateful na na-appreciate nyo yung what we had and what we achieved there on the international stage.
Family mo.
Family ko, family and friends.
Thank you.
And thank you